Get ready for an adrenaline rush. We bring you the most powerful firewood processors on the planet. Watch them chew through logs like butter. Prepare for forestry machinery madness. Let the show begin. You won't believe what this machine can do. The Easton-made 48C is a wood processing powerhouse. It's got a massive saw, a powerful engine, and a cab so comfy you'll want to live in it. But here's the kicker. It handles logs up to 30 feet long. That's incredible. Plus, it's got automatic splitting and a super easy joystick control. Starting around $175,000, you can make it truly yours. Prepare to be amazed. Ever wrestled with a giant birch log? It's like fighting a stubborn giant. But imagine this, a home-built wood splitter ready to tame those beasts. It's got this cool double pump system and an electric valve package. Think automatic shifting between high and low gear. We're talking about 3 tons of force for the easier stuff, and a monstrous 9 tons for those truly massive logs. And get this, you control the size of the wood. It's like having a custom wood splitting workshop in your backyard. All right, folks, let's talk forestry efficiency. The Malwa 560C Combi isn't just another machine, it's a game changer. This stand-operative dual machine seamlessly transitions between harvester and forwarder. We're talking about a 2.8-liter CAT engine meeting Euro 5/Stage 5 standards, powering a harvester head with a 42-centimeter cutting diameter. But here's the kicker, removable counterweights. This means it performs just as well as dedicated harvesters, no compromise. Observe it tackling bark beetle-infested trees in Eksjö, Sweden. This isn't just about felling trees, it's about optimizing your entire operation. You won't believe the size of the logs this equipment can handle. Made in Georgia, this specialized system is designed for large U.S. retailers who need serious firewood production power. This system handles hardwood logs from 3.94 inches to a massive 27.56 inches in diameter and lengths up to nearly 70 feet. The 5 integrated units, from log loading and precision sectioning to automated splitting and cleaning, ensure a seamless industrial-grade process. Okay, so get this. Chainsaw's screaming, right? Dead quiet 1 second, then bam! This smell hits you. Oil and that fresh, piney scent all mixed up. You can practically hear the wood fibers snapping as the saw eats through this monster tree. It's kind of raw, you know? This huge badass tree that looked like it'd live forever, it's going down. Heads up! If you're out there felling a tree and notice something weird, hightail it to safety. Felling trees can get real hairy real fast. Imagine this. You place your log, everything's lined up perfectly in a blink of an eye, you give the pedal a little nudge with your foot, and whoosh, clean split. It's almost magical. I was skeptical at first, but seeing it in action, it's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance between man and machine. It's not just splitting wood, it's an experience. We've got a machine here that's seriously fast for home use. Who doesn't love a bit of speed, right? But here's the kicker. It's incredibly simple and budget-friendly because it doesn't rely on those expensive hydraulic systems. Now, safety is paramount, so always use your common sense. But what do you think of a machine that combines speed and affordability like this? Let me know in the comments. Let's face it, who among us hasn't wrestled with a stubborn tree stump? I know I have. That's why I'm thrilled to share this with you. Say hello to the Ramtech XT-Hoe, a machine that's not just a tool, but a lifesaver for those of us who've battled with unsightly tree remains. Did you see how it handles those stumps like they're nothing? I swear, it's the coolest thing you'll ever see. Whew, that was a close one. If that tree had fallen the other way, it would have been a total disaster. Let me introduce you to the SSI Quad Q85ED, a shredding powerhouse. This machine is designed with 4 cutting shafts, ensuring consistent particle size regardless of the material. Whether it's mixed waste, plastics, wood, or even metal, this shredder handles it all. It packs a punch with dual 200 horsepower motors and features a shock protection system for added durability. Man, that was crazy. This guy's got some serious skills behind the wheel. Well, let me introduce you to this fascinating machine, the TN130T branch cutter. Imagine this. It gobbles up branches, even thick ones, and spits out perfectly sized wood pieces. It's like a wood transforming wizard. It has these tough, sharp knives that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. And the best part? You can use that processed wood as fuel. Isn't that neat? It's a story of resourcefulness, and this machine is the star.
Да, і не видно, да, що була дуже робота.
I stumbled upon this amazing machine, the Super Split Model J. It's got these massive 75-pound flywheels, you see, that build up incredible energy. And the way it's built, a solid pusher with bearings, riding smooth under an I-beam, it's like a perfectly choreographed dance of power and precision. Seriously intriguing. The Ecolog 574F Forwarder, a pinnacle of Scandinavian engineering, is a game-changer for steep terrain logging. Its robust chassis, coupled with a powerful, fuel-efficient engine, ensures optimal performance. What truly sets it apart, however, is the optional synchronized dual winch system. This feature provides unparalleled pulling power and load stability, enabling the efficient extraction of timber on challenging inclines. Dealing with the headache of processing small logs efficiently? Let me introduce you to the HewSaw R 201.1, formerly the R200 Plus. This little beast handles logs with 80mm to 230mm top diameters and zooms through them at up to 700 feet per minute. We're talking high-speed sawing with minimal waste. If you're curious about maximizing your output with minimal fuss, this machine's curve sawing tech is something you've got to see. Picture this, a tractor-operated machine that just keeps going and going, processing logs from 5 centimeters to 30 centimeters in diameter, even those longer than 4 meters. Intrigued? Let's explore this amazing machine together. I'm really impressed with the Growy bundle. Saw 2011. It's definitely a powerful machine. The only thing I'd change is the size of the Stump collection funnel. It needs more capacity. What's your take? The Eschelbach Biber 82 RBZ coupled with the MAN 480 is a powerful duo. But what really sets this apart is the operator's skill. He's different. You can tell he respects the machine. He doesn't push it too hard, even with that 480 horsepower. He knows its limits and keeps it running smooth, never overloading it. That's the mark of a true pro, someone who understands their tools. I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's a humbling experience. You can plan all you want, but every log is different. Every cut is a gamble. You gotta respect the wood, respect the forces at play, and never let your guard down. Because when those logs start moving, they don't care how much experience you have. Seriously, you couldn't pay me enough to do that. Hats off to those who can. The Ransom Shark Tooth Stump. Harvester initially struck me as unorthodox. However, witnessing its raw power and efficiency firsthand was a game-changer. Its ability to effortlessly pulverize massive stumps is redefining land-clearing operations, setting a new benchmark for productivity in forestry. These trees are impressive, no doubt. Years of growth have made them incredibly dense and heavy. Felling them is a precise operation, and loading the logs requires significant force. You can see the power of that excavator as it wrestles those massive logs onto the truck. Who's our driver for this operation? Oh no, not that dude. Timber transport, no matter the location, is inherently fraught with peril. Introducing the PrimeTech PT600, the ultimate mulching machine. This tracked prime mover dominates extreme mulching with its 600 horsepower Cummins engine and intelligent hydraulics. Forget California almonds, this machine chews through anything. Agile, efficient cooling, the PT600 conquers the toughest jobs. Well, you may swing the axe, but the tree decides how it falls. It's called the RDM52EX, and it's made by Advanced Forest Equipment. This thing can chew through trees up to 14 inches thick with its massive 52-inch cutting disc. It's made of super strong Weldock 700 T11 steel and has a powerful Rexroth hydraulic motor. Prices range from $50,000 to $60,000, but imagine how much time and effort it could save you on your land clearing projects. New Zealand alder, eh? Now that's a premium timber. I've been in this industry for ages, and these trees are some of the finest specimens I've come across. Crawler tractor skidding? It's a classic method, but it's undeniably effective. This crew clearly knows what they're doing, and they're doing it the right way, with respect for the trees and a focus on safety. It's a dying art, but it's heartening to see it alive and well here. Alright folks, today we've got a real challenge on our hands. A bur oak that's seen a few centuries, I reckon. No excavator? No worries. We'll use good old-fashioned know-how and some elbow grease. Let's show this old-timer we've still got the skills. This Trembesi tree is massive. Felling it would be a significant undertaking. The crew wisely chose not to trim it first due to the high-voltage power lines nearby. With the steel MS-881, they made impressive work of it. Timber transport is a demanding and hazardous undertaking where risks are inherent and unavoidable. The smell of fresh pine, the familiar sound of the sawmill, the beautiful grain of the ponderosa tree. These are the things I love about this job. This tree was damaged by the storm, but they'll turn it into high-quality lumber that can be passed down for generations. That's how they honor the tree and give it a new purpose. If that KX057 excavator looks outmatched by that stubborn Stump, just equip it with the frost ripper and watch the tables turn. This simple yet incredibly effective attachment makes quick work of roots, yanking that stubborn Stump right out of the ground. Impressive, to say the least.
Смотри, что творится.
Ебался, блядь!
Стоять.
Козёл, блядь!
Глуши машину.
The Vekova Kantopilkkari is a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with removing stumps. This Finnish-engineered machine makes quick work of even the toughest stumps, extracting and splitting them with ease. Its durable construction and efficient design will save you time and effort on any land clearing project. Maintaining vigilance in the workplace is crucial for ensuring the safety of oneself and others. This harvester operator momentarily forgot that, but fortunately, fate intervened. A heart-stopping incident that serves as a potent reminder.
Oh boy, maybe this can win probably.
Maine winters get super cold, so folks there have this cool tradition of getting ready for it by chopping wood in the fall. They go into the woods, cut down trees, and bring the wood back home. Imagine the sound of the saw and the smell of pine trees. It makes you think of cozy nights by the fireplace, right? If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next extreme adventure. Remember, the world of logging is full of surprises, and we're here to bring them right to your screen.